My name is Carol He, and we're in Pueblo, Colorado. I've lived in my house for 11 years now. I was born and raised in Pueblo. I moved to Denver and lived there most of my life. Came back to Pueblo to take care of my mother. Decided I needed to stay here. It was just a lot better for me and my son, and bought this house and have been here since. So my bathroom had a spa tub in it, and which is nice, but as I get older, I realize that I need to have a walk-in shower, make it safer for myself, and I'm hoping to retire in a couple years and needed to get everything done before I retire. So I just searched online, contacted a number of companies, and
we can definitely talk about that. Tell me what's going on with your bathroom.
HomePride was the first one to respond and liked what they offered. And one of my biggest concerns when I have somebody come into my house to do any kind of work is contractor fraud, because that's my business. My organization does a contractor fraud week every year. And we were just, when I was getting ready to look for somebody to do my bathroom. So it was a real reminder for me. We know that it's huge in the industry because there's so many companies out there. And a lot of people don't do the research before they hire a contractor. They don't look to see if they're licensed. They don't look to the Better Business Bureau to see what their ratings are, or other people's comments about them, or just do a Google search. But to me, it's really important because it is really huge. So that is always my process, is to look online, make sure that I'm hiring somebody that has good ratings, that they're licensed. Of course, it's always important that they're in Colorado. It's just really important to research everybody out. Stacy was the gentleman that came to talk to me about HomePride. And he was just the nicest person, very comfortable to talk to, no high pressure. He just sat down, got to know me first, and asked me what I was looking for. And I already knew because I had done my research, and so I just told him, these are the things that I want. And then he started showing examples of what I could use. So he was great. Never pressured me for anything.
How high would you like your shower head to be? I typically set them about 6'6".
So I expect my shower to look like I envisioned it when Stacy was here. It will be nice and sleek, and it will match the rest of my bathroom look, so I don't have to redo my whole bathroom, just the shower. Oh my, that looks wonderful. The bathroom looks so nice, and it's everything I expected. It's just amazing to watch the whole process because they put so much work and effort into it, and very careful. So it's great, and knowing all the work that goes into it makes it even that much better. The only thing I can say is I would definitely recommend HomePride, and if you're looking for do some work on your bathroom, your shower, consider them, because they really are everything that I expected they would be.